Alright, let me see your dress. Wow. Back up, Bill, back up so I can see your whole dress. Whoa. You have to put on your shoes too, huh?
Yeah, I came with the football.
You look so pretty, baby. Is that gonna stay on? Okay, let's go. Let's go Easter egg hunting. Alright. We're ready to go Easter egg hunting. Go get your basket. You see your basket? Alright. Let's go. Daddy gonna follow you. Can you get some eggs? Wow. You got some eggs. Whoa. That's cool, baby. Wow, you're getting a lot of eggs. If your basket gets too full, you put the eggs on top of the table, okay? Maybe you put it on top of the... Oh. Okay, let's get some eggs. Whoa. So many eggs, huh? So many. Wow. Can you find them all? Wow, so many, huh? You're doing good. Wow. Getting a lot of eggs, huh? Look at you. Okay, put them all there. You got a lot of eggs. Whoa. Wow. You got a lot of eggs there. Uh-oh, you dropped one. Okay, put it all there. You have more. Just stay around this area here, okay? Okay, put all your eggs there. You have more. Maybe over there. Peepa, look over there. Slowly, don't fall, don't run. Wow. You got it? Man, okay. Okay. Wow. You're doing good, baby. Cool. Wow. Got it. Yeah. That's cool. Now we get to see what's inside the eggs.
Let's go get it.
Oh, let's see what's inside there. You want to open some up? Yeah. Let's see what's in there. Sit down in the hammock. Wow. You can put some of the candy in your basket. Open more. So let's see what else is in there.
Alam mo dito yung entry, ano na siya. So, yun here, dito. Here, dito. More din.
Look at all the eggs Pipa found. That's a lot of eggs. Got some big ones and some small ones. And then she's getting putting all the candy in her basket there. Why don't you open up a big one? Let me see. Open up one of those big ones. Whoa! Candy everywhere. Maybe another big one, huh? Oh, wow. I think you missed one more egg, Pipa.
Huh?
I think you missed one more egg. Can you see it?
Let's check.
I think it's... Do you see it?
Baby's over there.
You see it?
Wow!
Whoa! That's a big one.
That's
That's a big egg right there. Show us your egg here. Show it to Daddy. Whoa! That's a lot of candy there. Well, maybe we should probably keep it inside the egg. Happy Easter, baby. Did you have fun Easter egg hunting? Alright, she's so busy with the candy
Try
now.
one.
You want to try one candy? Which one do you want to try?
Maybe you like this one, huh?
You want to eat that one? Okay, let's try that one. Is it good? Okay. I don't know if she likes that or not. Good job, baby. You did good. Look at all your candy. And then she still has more in here. Maybe more than enough. We might have to give some to your friends, okay? Say happy Easter, everyone.
Happy red one.
All right.